not to get up here, baby, because I can feel my eyebrow getting tight. If this take off my eyebrow, I'm suing. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. And this is my channel. This is your first time seeing this beautiful chocolate face. Like, you already know what you need to do, girl. If you see the red button, make it great and subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, you can follow me on my social media accounts. Be listed down below, link just for you. Like, all you gotta do, go down there, click the link, put our eyes under all my phone pictures. We're done doing all that. You get to leave a comment and a thumbs up on this video, of course. By the title, you guys already know what's about to go down. I am going to be reviewing and installing this Nadula wig. You guys are ready. I'm ready. It's beginner friendly. Let's get right into it. And that I got this from is Amazon Nadula hair, and I will have everything listed below, linked, so you guys can go get it if you want to. But before I get into the installation process of what I did, I just want to show you guys the box that is filled with other stuff. Now, it just came in this box. And I'll also be putting up details on the wig here or here, whichever way I put it. Installed their Body Wave 2-part lace front wig, and it looks so cute on me. I did get it in 18 inches, so she's, you know, I thought it was gonna be too short, but it's not that short. So thank you, Nadula, for hooking girl up with this wig. So let's just get right into my installation process, because girl. But once again, this is beginner friendly because I'm a beginner myself, and I like to consider myself friendly. So now we're gonna start by taking our braids and just putting them to the back of our head. We use, you know, regular bobby pins. Taking this and doing that, and then pinning it up. All right, now that we're all pinned up, it's time to get the wig. Here she is. Guys, the insides of the wig, because I can't show that with it on, obviously, for the intro. So this is how the T-part wig is looking. You can see the lace. You can see the part. It's all the lace you get. So there's clips on the inside and at the back. And I think, yeah, it does have a little strap so you can, you know, hook it, tighten it if you want to. First things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of makeup and stuff on the lace, because this is beginner friendly. I don't know how to bleach. I mean, if you're a beginner and you know how to bleach, you're lying. You're not a beginner. Like, know how to do that stuff. So I am going to put makeup on the lace using this. It's kind of like my scalp color, I believe. So we're just gonna do that. Oh, sorry, I'm supposed to be showing you. So you're just gonna put that on like that and just, you know, put it on, girl. The stuff got on the wig, so I'm just gonna get some paper and just, girl, we're beginners, we're learning. This is our lace now. It's just a little bit tinted, just, you know, and yeah, like I feel like this is more, yeah. I'll take some setting powder and put that on top of it as well, just so like I won't get as much shiftage, like it won't come off as easy. My Fit Me powder in 360 Mocha. I'm just gonna throw the wig onto my head like this, and I like my part to be on the arch of my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna put that like somewhat in that area. It's on. Just going to pull lace over my edges, and as y'all saw, like my hairline, I don't really have that much forehead, so I don't know if that's just me, but just so we can cover my hairline. Okay, so now that we have the wig like positioned where we want it, comes the scary part. The actual gluing of the wig, and of course I'm not using glue as stated in the title. I'm just gonna brush this back. And I'm using these clips by Framar, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I love these clips. Like this part right here, it makes it stay so well. I love using it on my real hair too, so yeah, whatever. Start spraying our hair, and I'm gonna be using the Olive Oil Fix It Super Hold Spray by ORS. Tutorials that helped me like figure out how I was gonna like go about doing mine, so I'll link them down below as well. And so this is gonna be the only thing I'm gonna be using to glue the hair down, or hold it down, if you want to say that. I'm just gonna spray it, like I'm just gonna spray it. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm so scared. Make sure you comb through it so that it won't get stiff on you. I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and just, you know, dry it. Yeah. So I am going to do another layer of this and try not to get up here, baby, because I can feel my eyebrow getting tight. This is off my eyebrow. I'm suing. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna do one more layer, just to, I don't know, solidify everything. Didn't get enough far over here, so I'm gonna do this one more time. Probably not gonna. I'm gonna go in over here too. Okay, alright. They glue down basically, and like, okay, ORS, I wasn't expecting you to be this strong. Okay, so now that I have everything glued down and my eyebrow took some heat too, I am going to cut the lace. I'm gonna split it down here first. Okay, I'm start over here. Up here. And yeah, like that. They had a razor, I only had scissors, whatever. Up here, and hopefully go across. And I got it as close to my hairline as I possibly could. Like, that's as good as I can get it, because like my hairline starts lower, so I have to protect my baby. And it also did lift some, so I'm just gonna go in with one more layer, spray, and styling and doing like edges and stuff. Okay, so I know y'all see the little white stuff coming up. That's gonna go away with some water and a paper towel, so I'm not really worried about that. Up that I see on my forehead. Just do a little cleaning up. All right, next up is edges. So I'm just going to part off some edges along the hairline like I saw the girls do on YouTube. Wait, I'm one of those girls too. That's crazy. I really shouldn't even be worried about edges over here. Little pseudo. Got this. And she went in with her tweezers. So I'm gonna go with these tweezers. And we're about to pluck this hairline, girl. And to pluck it, I am going to be plucking like back here. I'm not going to be plucking this per se, but like black there. Because they said it's good to create a line demarcation for the edges. So I'm just going to listen and do that too. Really just going at a whim and just pulling it out, girl. Let's go. I'm back, and I did pluck a little bit more of the things when I went up to the mirror, and boo, I really think that's gonna be too much, but we just gonna go with it, girl. At this point, we just going with it. I want to do like fluffy edges with mine, so I'm going to curl it before I cut it. Curl it. Okay. And like cut. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna try to swoop them down. This is the foam I'm gonna be using. Okay, so this looks funky now, but I'm gonna see how it looks when I put my hair down. But I want to try to solidify it too, just in case it does look good when I put my hair down. Go in with a Kiss Edge Fixer, the watermelon one. Putting it on my creations. So yeah, we finna see. Oh, this look cool. Let me go fix my edges, bro. I'm finna redo them. Wait, okay. I calmed the edges down as much as I could. I feel like this is better than what I started with. If I hide it with that, when I hide it with the hair, not beautiful wind. This will be cool. It's not, it'll have to just be cool for the video. Okay, so now I'm gonna curl the hair, and yeah, I'm just ready to see the final result. I'm gonna do my makeup and everything, so y'all don't talk about me too big if you don't turn out that cute. You hurt my feelings. I promise you better not have no picture in your and you're fine. I don't even care if you're cute, but I'm fine some. So yeah, now we're gonna curl our hair, and I'm just using my curling wand. Sister actually gave this to me. Don't know where she got it, so I'm just gonna curl. I'm gonna curl away from my face. And yeah, let's go. I don't know how long I'm holding this. I count to like 10, and I forget that I'm counting, and then I stop, so. But as I did the other curls, I'm just gonna put it up in my hands, do my makeup, and put on some more clothes, and then come back and transition for you guys. See you right back. I'm back, and now we're gonna take down the hair. And you know, I did a little bit of something. I'm not the best, but I feel like if this turns out ugly, at least this will kind of make up for it. No? Okay. So now I'm just gonna take down the curls. I'm just gonna see. Okay. This is what I do anyways. I just take it, pull it off, and just do it like that. Oh! Not the one wrinkly. Oh my goodness. Do not fail me. Please don't. Yeah, that's what I was going for. So what did I do different here to be frizzy though? But I want it to be ugh. And for me in my house, I like volume. So I'm not gonna flatten this out any more than what I feel like it already is. Sister would like go crazy if I didn't at least attempt to flatten this part right here. So this is me doing that. And I have this on the highest setting. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty, put that on the areas. I don't really know what else I can do for it. Yeah, okay, that worked. My makeup is kind of red though. The part, I'm not trying to get a Grammy for it or anything, but I do want it to look good. Okay, so I found out that if you get foam and you slide it like that across the curl, it's not as frizzy. So here are my final results. Like, I feel like I did okay. I feel like I did very well. I'm not gonna say okay, I did very well for the first time. Overall, I like it. I wish it was bigger for my head. I don't know if it's just me or if my, you know, my edges come down too far. I don't know. So I would like to see these in bigger sizes if they have them. But the more I run my fingers through it, the more frizzy it gets. I'm just noting that. I love how it holds a curl. Like, I'll update you in the comments below, like how it lasts throughout the night, because it is night now. I like how the hair feels. It was not shedding. Run my fingers through it. No color. Now that I've styled it, beautiful on my skin. I look gorgeous, and I hope you got something from this video. Hope you learned something. If you did, comment below. Put some tips down below, because I am going to be trying more wigs. Some tips down below, girl. I run it up. I need tips. So I help you, help me. Okay, those are my final thoughts on the wig. Again, everything will be linked down below. All the items I used, the wig, all that good stuff below. If you like it. Do you like it? I like it. See you guys in the next one. Bye.